Today we will solve biology section of IMAT 2025. Question number 10. During lactic acid fermentation, pyruvic acid is option A reduced, B oxidized, C decarboxylated, D phosphorylated, E dephosphorylated. When oxygen is lacking, like during exercise, our body performs lactic acid fermentation. In this process, pyruvate molecule is used to form lactate. Lactate is formed in this way. During lactic acid fermentation, pyruvate molecules uses NADH to gain electrons from it and produce lactate molecules. During this, pyruvate molecule has utilized electrons, so that's why it gets reduced. The molecule that gains electron is called reduced, and the molecule that loses electrons is called oxidized. As pyruvate has gained electrons in this process, so it gets reduced. The answer is A. Question 11 of IMAT 2025. Which of the following statements about glycolysis is correct? Now I will read all the options and explain you the reason. Option A. When a molecule of glucose is converted to pyruvate in glycolysis, 2 NAD plus are reduced. We know that during glycolysis, 2 NADH molecules are produced. These are produced by the reduction of 2 NAD plus molecules because 2 NAD plus molecules gain electrons and 2 NADH molecules are produced. Option B. Triose phosphate isomerase catalyzes the conversion of dihydroxyacetone phosphate to 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Now there is a trick to solve this. The word isomerase tells us that there will be isomerization process, but dihydroxyacetone phosphate is not an isomer of 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, so B can't be the answer. Phosphofructokinase. What is the function of kinase? Kinases helps in phosphorylation. They add the phosphate group to molecules. Now read the option. Phosphofructokinase catalyzes the conversion of fructose 1,6-phosphate to dihydroxyacetone phosphate. 1,6-bisphosphate to dihydroxy. There is not an addition of phosphate molecule, so C can't be the answer. When a molecule of glucose is converted to pyruvate in glycolysis, carbon dioxide is produced. We know that during glycolysis, a molecule of glucose which has 6 carbon atoms is break down into 2 molecules of pyruvate. Each pyruvate molecule is composed of 3 carbon atoms. So 2 pyruvate molecules has 6 carbon atoms. So during glycolysis there is no at all removal of a carbon molecule, so not carbon dioxide is produced. Option D is incorrect. In the option E, in the first part, FADH2 is formed. FADH2 is formed only during the Krebs cycle. So E can't be the answer. Only A is correct. Question 12 of IMAT 2025. Each acetyl-CoA molecule that enters the Krebs cycle produces. It's a memory-based question. There is a trick to memorize the products that forms during Krebs cycle from each acetyl-CoA. Memorize 3, 1, 1, 2 rule. Each acetyl-CoA that enters the Krebs cycle produces 3 NADH, 1 FADH2, 1 GTP, and 2 molecules of carbon dioxide. So the answer is A. Question 13 of IMAT 2025. Oxidative phosphorylation is a metabolic pathway. Option A, through which the energy stored in a reduced coenzymes is used for the synthesis of ATP. We know that oxidative phosphorylation is the last step of respiration process. This process occurs in inner mitochondrial membrane. During this process, the coenzymes NADH and FADH2 that is produced during glycolysis, pyruvate oxidation, and Krebs cycle is utilized to pump the proton against the concentration gradient to create a proton gradient through which that activates the ATP synthase to produce ATP. When the protons move along their concentration gradient, the ATP synthase uses this energy and use it to form ATP. So A is the answer. Let's see other options too, through which the amino group resulting from the degradation of amino acids eliminated. This is an deamination process. Option C, through which fatty acids are broken down by removing 2 carbon atoms at a time. No, there is not breakdown of fatty acids. Option D, which represents the final stage of anabolism. Oxidative phosphorylation is a catabolic process, not at all anabolism. Option E, through which fatty acid synthesis occur. No, there is a synthesis of ATP, not fatty acids. So the answer is A. Question 14 of IMAT 2025. Cytochromes are. What are cytochromes? Cytochromes are heme containing proteins that are found in electron transport chain. Electron transport chain is also known as respiratory chain. So answer A is present in the respiratory chain is correct. Let's read other options too. Option B, transporters of hydrogen atoms in the respiratory chain. Cytochromes transport electrons, not the whole hydrogen atoms. Enzymes that synthesize ATP. ATP is synthesized by ATP synthase enzyme, not by the cytochromes. So B and C can't be the answers. Option D, inhibitors of oxidative phosphorylation. Oxidative phosphorylation is another name of respiratory chain. They transport electrons, not inhibit the oxidative phosphorylation. Option E, cofactors of glycolysis. Cytochromes are found during electron transport chain, not during the glycolysis. Question 15 of IMAT 2025. Collagen is a protein that is A. Extracellular, B. Membranous, C. Intracellular, D. Abundant in the thick filament, E. Nuclear. We know that collagen is an abundant protein in human body and present in the extracellular matrix. So A is the answer. Collagen is present in the extracellular matrix and provides strength. Like it is present in tendons and ligaments. Option B, membranous, it is not present in the membranes. Intracellular, no. Option D, abundant in the thick filaments. The protein that is abundant in thick filaments is myosin, not collagen. So A is the answer. Question 16. Muscle contraction is triggered by an increase in the concentration of calcium ions that bind to. calcium ions bind to troponin. But you need to know all the process that take place during this process. Calcium ions bind to troponin and troponin changes in shape. That causes tropomyosin to displace on actin, and the myosin binding site on actin is exposed. Now myosin will bind to actin and muscle contraction will occur. Memorize calcium binds to troponin, then it causes tropomyosin. Tropomyosin to displace on actin and myosin binding site is exposed. That leads to muscle contraction. Question 17. Which of the following statements about myosin and actin is correct? Here you need to recall the Crosby cycle. In the first step, calcium binds to troponin that causes tropomyosin to displace on actin and myosin binding site on actin is exposed. Now myosin head will bind to actin and then ATP attaches to myosin. That changes the affinity of myosin molecule to bind with actin, and myosin molecule will detach from actin. Let's read the options. A. The binding of ATP to actin-myosin complex promotes the dissociation of complex. Correct. Option B. The binding of ATP to the actin-myosin complex promotes the formation of the complex. No, it dissociates the complex. C. The binding of calcium to protonin is necessary for the binding of calcium to troponin is necessary for the formation of complex, not dissociation. Option D. Actin has ATPase activity. Tropomyosin has ATPase activity. The ATPase activity is found on myosin, not actin and tropomyosin. So the answer is A. Question 18. The Bohr effect is observed in tissues that are oxidizing large amount of neutrons, generating hydrogen ions and releasing carbon dioxide into the blood. This results in understand the concept. In an active tissue, a lot of oxygen is used by the cells, and as a result a lot of carbon dioxide is released. Carbon dioxide is converted into carbonic acid, which increases the concentration of hydrogen ions. As a result, pH decreases. The oxyhemoglobin releases oxygen to the tissue. Actually, oxyhemoglobin H2B O2 is converted into hemoglobin and oxygen. This oxygen is utilized by the tissue, and oxygenated hemoglobin molecules is decreases in that tissue. That's why the answer is a decrease in oxygenated hemoglobin molecules. Question 19. Which of the following compounds corresponds to the statement a substance that increases the speed of the reaction and is found unchanged at the end of it? A very easy question. It's basically a definition of the catalyst. So the answer is A. Catalyst. A catalyst is a substance that is not used up in the chemical reaction and it increases the speed of reaction and it lowers the activation energy. Question 20. In competitive inhibition, what is competitive inhibition? As the name indicates, competition. It is a combination between substrate and the inhibitor. They compete with each other to bind with the active side of the enzyme. Let's read the options. Option A. The inhibitor and the substrate compete for the active site of the enzyme. This is correct because inhibitor and substrate compete with each other to bind with the active site of the enzymes. Option B. The inhibitor binds to the substrate. Inhibitor never binds to the substrate, it binds with the active site of the enzyme. So it's not correct. Option C. The inhibitor binds to the allosteric site and prevents the substrate from binding to the enzyme. It's the definition of non-competitive inhibition. So it's not the answer. Option D. The inhibitor prevents the release of products from the active sites. Inhibitor acts before the reaction occurs. They bind to the active site. So they don't prevent the release of products from the active site. Option E. The inhibitor binds to the enzyme cholesterol complex. Nope. So A is the answer. Question 21. Which of the following classes of digestive enzymes is involved in the digestion of proteins? Proteins are made up of amino acids that are linked together by peptide bonds. To break the proteins, we have to break peptide bonds. So the enzyme for them is called peptidase. The other name is proteases. The option is A. Amylase. It is used for the digestion of carbohydrates. Lipase for lipids. Isomerase is used to form isomers. Transaminase. It transfers amino group during amino acid metabolism. So the answer is A. 22. Oxidative phosphorylation involves. The other names of oxidative phosphorylations are respiratory chain and electron transport chain. Option A. Both membrane proteins and mobile molecules. We know that electron transport chain involves membrane proteins like complex 1, 2, 3, 4 and ATP synthase, that is an enzyme, and mobile carrier molecules like coenzyme Q and cytochrome C. So the option A is correct. B. Exclusively mitochondrial matrix proteins. Oxidative phosphorylation occurs in the inner mitochondrial membrane, not in the mitochondrial matrix. So B is incorrect. Option C. Exclusively integral membrane proteins. But it also, the word exclusively indicates it's wrong because it also includes mobile carrier molecules. Option C. Exclusively peripheral proteins. It also includes integral membrane proteins. D is incorrect. Only nuclear proteins. Oxidative phosphorylation occurs in mitochondria, not in nucleus, so E is also incorrect. Question 23. How are the reduced coenzymes that are formed during biological oxidation reoxidized? What are the steps of biological oxidation? It involves glycolysis, Krebs cycle, pyruvate oxidation. And what are reduced coenzymes? ADH. FADH2. These are produced during glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and pyruvate oxidation. These are called reduced because they have gained electrons. They are reoxidized through respiratory chain or electron transport chain. The answer is A. Oxidation means the loss of electrons, as these two reduced coenzymes lose electrons in the respiratory chain, so they are reoxidized. Option B. Through the process of beta oxidation. Beta oxidation produces NADH and FADH2, not reoxidize them. Option C. By direct action of oxygen. Oxygen is produced during electron transport chain, but it doesn't involve directly to reduce or reoxidize them. So C is the wrong answer. D. Through the passage of electrons in ATP synthase. ATP synthase uses proton gradient to produce ATP. So D is not the answer. Option E. With the synthesis of hormones. No. Question 24. Which high energy reserve compound contains phosphate groups and is present in muscles? Basically, it is a memorization based question. The high energy reserve compound present in muscles is keratin phosphate. Option A. Not confuse it with carnitine phosphate or keratinine phosphate. Carnitine transports long chain fatty acids for beta oxidation, and keratinine is a waste product that is produced from keratin phosphate. 25. Which of the following metabolic processes occurs mainly in the liver? A. Urea cycle. We know that urea cycle occurs in the liver. Urea cycle is a process in which toxic ammonia that is produced from amino acid metabolism is converted into less toxic form urea, so that it can be easily excreted from the body by the kidneys. This process is mainly occurs in the liver. Beta glycolysis. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm of almost all the cells, so it doesn't mainly occur in the liver. B can't be the answer. Beta oxidation of fatty acids. It does not mainly occurs in the liver, it also occurs in other tissues. Krebs cycle. No. Transamination. It does not mainly related to liver. The urea cycle is the answer, as it is mainly related to liver. Question 26. It is more advantageous for humans to store energy as triglycerides in adipose tissue rather than as proteins in muscles, because triglycerides in adipose tissue contain triglycerides store more energy than proteins and carbohydrates. Triglycerides store 9 kilocalorie per gram, and proteins store 4 kilocalorie per gram. energy. So it is correct that it stores more calories. As triglycerides are hydrophobic, so they require less water to be stored. So A is the option, more calories and less water. Proteins and carbohydrates require more water than triglyceride to be stored in the body. Question 27. Lysosomes are organelles. Lysosomes are single membrane organelles that contain hydrolytic enzymes which work in acidic pH. Let's read the options. Option A, that formed by budding from the Golgi apparatus. The enzymes of lysosomes are prepared by the rough endoplasmic reticulum, then it is modified in the Golgi apparatus and bud from the Golgi apparatus. It is a correct option. Option B, equipped with enzymes that function optimally at a pH above 7. Above 7 is a basic pH. It contains enzymes which work in acidic pH. B is incorrect. Option C, that formed by budding from the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. No, it bud from Golgi apparatus. Option D, whose malfunction is currently not believed to be associated with diseases. There are a lot of diseases related to lysosomes like lysosomal storage diseases. Option D is incorrect. E, responsible for the synthesis of proteins destined for secretion. Lysosome is not involved in the synthesis of proteins, other than it has hydrolytic enzymes and involved in hydrolysis of worn out parts of the cells. So the correct answer is A. Question 28 of IMAT 2025. Which of the following statements is correct? Let's read the options. Option A, the nucleus, mitochondria and chloroplast all contain DNA. The nucleus contains the genome of the cell. Mitochondria and chloroplast contain circular DNA. So this is the correct option. Option B, only the nucleus contains DNA while mitochondria and chloroplast contain RNA. Mitochondria and chloroplast contain RNA as well as DNA. B is incorrect. Option C, all cellular organelles possess a small amount of DNA. Not all cellular organelles possess DNA like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus and many more. Option D, the rough endoplasmic reticulum contains the DNA necessary for protein synthesis. The rough endoplasmic reticulum contains ribosomes, not DNA. Incorrect. Option E, prokaryotes have a well-defined nucleus containing DNA. Prokaryotes do not have well-defined nucleus. Their genome is dispersed in the cytoplasm. E is incorrect. A is the correct option. 29. What is the main function of plasma membrane in cells? Let's read the answers. Option A, regulating exchange between the inside and the outside of the cell. It's the main function of the plasma membrane. So A is correct. Option B, providing energy to the cell. This function is performed by mitochondria. B is incorrect. Option C, synthesizing proteins. Proteins are synthesized by ribosomes. So it is not the function of plasma membrane. Option D, containing the cell's genetic material. The cell's genetic material is contained by nucleus. D is incorrect. Option E, facilitating cell movement. Some plasma membrane proteins help in cell movement, but the main function of plasma membrane is regulating exchange between the inside and outside of the cell, and main function of cell movement is performed by cytoskeleton. Is incorrect. The main point in this question was main function. Option A is correct. Question 30. Which reactions are defined as exergonic? Exergonic reactions are the reactions that release energy and occur spontaneously. They have negative Gibbs free energy change. So A is the answer. The word exert also indicates the release of energy. Option B. Reactions that require heat to proceed. Many exergonic reactions do not require heat to occur. Option C. Reactions that occur only in the presence of light. Photochemical reactions occur in presence of light. C is incorrect. Option D. Reactions that produce chemical energy without consumption of reactants. All chemical reactions require reactants for the reaction. D is incorrect. Option E. Reactions that involve the synthesis of new compounds. Exergonic reactions can involve synthesis of new compounds, but it doesn't always involve synthesis of new compounds. It can also break down the reactants. So the answer is A. 31. What is the main role of osteoblasts? Osteoblasts are bone forming cells. There are three types of bone cells: osteoblast, osteoclast, and osteocytes. Option A. Producing collagen and minerals for the bone matrix. Osteoblasts are the bone forming cells, so they produce the matrix of the bone. Yes, they produce collagen and minerals for the bone matrix. Option B. Resorbing minerals from the bone. This is the function of osteoclast, not osteoblast. Option C. Regulating blood pH. This is not the main role of osteoblast. Option D. Breaking down damaged bone tissue. This is the function of osteoclast. Option E. Transporting nutrients in the bone marrow. Nutrients in the bone marrow are transported by blood vessels, not by osteoblast. A is the correct option. Question 32. Insulin. Insulin is a peptide hormone that plays the main role of reducing blood glucose levels. Let's read the options. Option A. Stimulates glucose uptake in muscles. Yeah, it's the correct option because insulin reduces the blood glucose level by uptaking or by storing the glucose. Option B. Stimulates the breakdown of glycogen. The breakdown of glycogen releases glucose. It doesn't performed by the insulin, it is performed by glucagon. Insulin promotes the synthesis of glycogen. B can't be the answer. Option C is a steroid hormone. Insulin is a peptide hormone, not a steroid. Option D inhibits fatty acid synthesis. Insulin stimulates fatty acid synthesis to store energy. Option E is secreted by adrenal glands. Insulin is secreted by pancreas, not adrenal glands. E can't be the answer.